So I just got the kit. I just opened the kit from, I think it's Mitsumo. It's a whole engine rebuild kit I have a 92 Accord with the f22a1. Right off rip, I don't know if anybody has gotten this kit before, but this packaging is actually, I'm sorry, but if you're spending this much on your packaging, it's got to be decent quality parts like this. All the head bolts right here. Obviously you got all the ones that are the same size, and there's one that I believe is long. I believe it's this one right here. It's longer than all the other ones. There's one that goes in the middle. That's the head bolts. This is piston kit. I mean, this packaging is pretty freaking sweet. Take one of these pistons out to show you guys what the pistons look like. Nice billet aluminum pistons. Even has the arrows go on the front of the engine. Thing looks pretty nice. Billet aluminum. That thing is sweet. And we got the other four right there. I mean, this package, like I can't keep repeating it, sorry, but this packaging is pretty freaking nice. I think I paid 400 and something for all this this whole engine rebuild kit. Got the oil pump right here. I don't know, somebody said be careful with this oil pump, which I kind of agree. I don't know if I'm going to use this aftermarket oil pump, but comes with all the gaskets, everything for the oil pump. I'm not opening this right now, but got the water pump right here. Comes with the gasket. Nice brand new water pump. I believe that's the oil pan gasket. All the other little gaskets you need. I believe this is the rear main seal. And some other, I already changed the rear main seal, so I won't need that one. I already put that in. This is, what is this? This is all the oil rings, the piston rings, piston oil rings, engine bearings, brush washers. Nice brand new and I got all standard. These are all, that's why it says, I believe that's a STD. These are all standard size. I'm not boring anything out. What is this? I believe this is a tensioner and idler pulley for the timing belt. Tensioner idler bearing for the timing belt, I believe. And this is, I believe that's the head gasket set. I'm definitely gonna have to figure out what all these gaskets are for, but this is nice. Valve cover gasket, all the intake gaskets, like every single gasket. And I believe that is a MLS head gasket too. Sweet. So yeah, I got valve cover, all the gaskets I need, piston rings, everything. So it's gonna take me a while to put this engine back together because I'm doing it over time. I'm not rushing anything, so once everything is said and done down the road, I'll let everybody know how this turns out.